1.7 million votes deficit. Tabe na abeti obisi na betisi as obisi akanai. Akanai. Mahama lost with a vote of 1 million. It took him 8 years. Obi lose 1.7 million a year. If 1 million is equal to 8 years, therefore 1.7 million is equal to what? X. Find X.
So, Honorable Kennedy Japan say, delegates should find X that Baumia has lost election near the Busia. A lot of people has find the X. Mumayanko, Nayanko say the Omukaye, the X now. Kennedy Japan say a delegate, MPP delegate should find. They have found the X into for Mayanko consider the X they have found.
Good morning, Abusiafo. Found some plus sign. Follow me. Like it. Now say open Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Asem Kwadia. Honorable Kennedy Japan Babe do me am region, Western of region. Now campaign now oil. What shall I say? He is inciting Ghanaians to say a moment to abba and farmer Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. And young people for Ghanaians no more to abba now or incite your mo etia Mahmoud Baumia. Share some mathematics now oil. Papa can yes say Mahama ni new candidate in the Koshiaye. Enti Oba winning. There's no in Ghana history and see that say new candidate akwa election back one winning. Who can walk out belusu? And nothing I hear say na now that Kokufuado na your friend say Mahama the coalition we are going to win with this margin. Now a dear campaign here Papa Kennedy who ya won't can the Ubeyama delegate in Ghana for. Me say in summer ya Papa Kennedy Japan ekeka ni nyinano. Me say o inciting Ghanaians against Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Sa Baumia anwenia on to be mejira simpie so enka asem bi manen sama waka no en nane. Me say on the unlucky event sa Mahmoud Baumia and to me when 2028 election e ho na ya Papa Kennedy Japan o san be ya campaign foforo sa manka. And somehow he is inciting Ghanaians against Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Now the air can say any new candidate NDC force will be in Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Yes, history any Bibia a favor Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. NDC for be in Pafufro. O Papa Ken, you say candidate kura, also be lusu. Ya Papa Ken, and then I win your campaign. A better delegate no. The Obeyama ye, and the Obeyama or my Ghana Moma to Abama. It is possible. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Metiasi. Dr.
Okay, Busiafo, it is very, very simple. So, Honorable Kennedy Japan say it will take, we should find X, or say Ghana for finding X, and I say MPP delegates should find X. Mami can't you forget X no? X no, Kennedy Japan, simple as ABCD. Kennedy Japan, you have contributed hugely to our loss. You have contributed hugely to our loss. Okay, you told us plain blunt, you insulted everyone and even promised us to send us to position. Chairman Costo, you were X, you are still X. Mr. Kennedy Japan, NDC play your videos, they play your videos on televisions to discredit the party, to discredit our candidate. And today you are asking us to find X. Let me tell you something. You see, when you people, and as a delegate, when you go and vote for Kennedy Japan, we will use 4 years. You see that 3 years that we will go and vote 2028. We'll use that 4 years defending this man. Simple as ABCD. We are going to use 4 years to defend Kennedy Japan, and you will not even be done because let me put your mind to something. Recently, the issue with the judges and the Kevin Taylor. Do you know when him say Kennedy Japan video and no more course on the actual judges no? Yes, that Kennedy Japan the same thing. He has done the same thing and nothing has been done to him. And he said Kevin Taylor and the news. Messi Kennedy Japan has insulted pastors in this country, and then you people know. Munim say, since your pastors are controlling the crowd, we are pastors, we are threatening pastors. It's why Sebuko Trabama Kennedy Japan. Who is coming out to vote? See, sad X now was here final. Bro, you are X. Uyire. Time na danado dan kwa for the win election. Yama oye contract. Street light contract. Up to now, uyire no to me the buy. You should be thinking of those things.
You better say like a Japan says uncle Asem week. Moon repeat you baby because S3. Sabinya Sabia nim woman crofo S3 no. Now you see, me baba expose the poverty in this thinking. Nyabutenity here very important. In 2016, Nanado ne Mahama na contest ye no Mahama Gabo, 1 million votes. In 2020 elections, no Mahama and me win because or signing Nanado and a contest ye old candidate. And a ma voter difference no and as a vote gap no every day so from 1 million about 540,000 votes. Now, TIA very important. In 2024, Nanado and contested our elections nibium. MPP ye presente a new candidate Dr. Baumia. Nasa new candidate na ye presente ye no. Emma Mahama Hoarding. Emma Otimi free a ye vote deficit of 540,000. Ebe ma ye candidate, new candidate no. Vote gap of 1.7 million votes. Nashe, in 2028 elections, no, Mahama won't copy him. NDC will bring a new candidate. Ghana, your political history since 1992. Actually, I say, anytime a political party be and say MPP, say NDC, I did new candidate bebano, or shall say free zero, or inherit the voter base, and I say voter, the previous candidate are almost presented, no, so he start from scratch. And to that analogy, Kennedy Japan making a lame, a feeble, sabi, nyansabi, it doesn't hold any water. NDC candidate, will not inherit Mahama in 56 point something percent. Unyaye in 2024 elections, he will be starting from zero. But Dr. Baumia on the other side, our year-old candidate, will be starting from 41.75%. And then in Kasa. Dr. Baumia in 2024 elections was facing the worst acrimonious, devastating adversaries ever. Never see that. And MPP was at its lowest. Dr. Baumia was fighting internal sabotages. Japan they were working against him. Samson, a global financial crisis, economic crisis, and was working against Dr. Baumia. And NDC phones no more didn't drop propaganda. And the promises I can say, Dr. Baumia. But in all this, if you are seeing Dr. Baumia, he was able to get 41.75%, which I say, and not a vote base and a voter base. That is the fraction of the voter population. Regardless of what happened, they will stick with Dr. Baumia. They will vote for him any day because at his lowest, that is what he got. And in the next election, 2028 elections, Dr. Baumia will be starting from 41.75%. And NDC new candidate, he will be starting from 0%. And that gives us the upper hand. But Medima no Babe Sinum, Yansha MPP presenting a new candidate to second in Japan as against NDC, new candidate or modern beba. And in 2028, assuming say NDC for the Julius Debra Eba. Julius Debra will be starting from 0% because there is no scandal about him on Korea dear on Korea corruption be on Didi will be at time, so he will be starting on a clean sheet 0%. But then Canada Japan or presenting Canada Japan, he's not going to start from 0. He's going to start from negative 50 because he's coming with a lot of packages. MPP, you will be struggling to fight because one. Only Ghana man in our Asem at the word go because or the MRC the deal matemo the team matem left right center. Into at the word go no. I feel na wo pa be pacho, wo be pa Ghana man in our chow. Now what convention so on to Abamano. I feel na wo ba be pa ehiafo nyina we di o matem acho na wa convention say omonto abamano I feel na wo ba be pa ayigbefo ne eye nkranfo a wose ye nkoku omo no acho na wa convention say omonto abamano I feel na wo ba be pa farmers fo acho farmers a wose omo ye nkwasiafo pan say omanya sika na omo de kwakoye farm wo ba be pa omo cho na wa convention say omonto abama Canada Japan so you will be starting from negative 50. and fight your way through. Now, Busa who said that Ben and Kennedy Japan, or Babe fight from negative 50, Abedru even 25%. Per unknown analogy, no. Ebe taking a 50 years and some free negative 50 no at the aba somewhere 20%. So he can never win the next elections. NDC candidate to be a homo did November 2028. All the Canadian Japan copy a free rider man. But Dr. Baumia has the 41.75% already at any day. They will vote for him. I can't pay. Yeah, they be can who will win elections am I in 2028.